at high volume.
Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video, yeah? Oh, we have today, you see the box. You got a bunch of the Jordan accolades, posters, commercials, rough drafts. Y'all know what's happening already. What we have today is the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low in the Flash Crimson and Cement Gray colorway. Now opening the box, you got the all black guts. These come double wrapped. On the outside, you got the black paper. On the inside, you got the white paper. Like I always say, man, that ain't what we here for, man. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here they are, the Air Jordan 11 Low IE Flash Crimson. Now these are part of the highlighter pack. That's what I was told they were called. They released with the Rio Teal colorway and that Ghost Green colorway. I don't remember if that's what they call it on this one, but it is what it is. So here's the Flash Crimson colorway. Now when I first saw the pictures online, you know, I thought it was more like a orangish red, but these are more like a pinkish red. You know what I mean? So if you're in the market for these, man, you need to go ahead and try to get a look at them in person before you purchase them, because it might not be the color that you want. You know what I'm saying? So now looking at the shoe, man, you see you got the cement gray sprinkled all around the upper. On the inside, you got that Flash Crimson insole with a gray Jumpman. On the tongue, you got the Flash Crimson Jumpman. I mean, it is what it is, man. Now looking at the other shoe, it's identical to the other one. There's no difference. As you can see, you got the Air Jordan 11 bottom with this IE upper. Now, let me say something about the IEs, man. I never was really a fan of this particular model, man. You know, now, the black pair, that was cool. The blue pair, that was all right. You know, but if you're gonna go with them 11s, man, give me that patent leather, man. Give me them patent leather mids, man. You know, but let me give you a look at some of these other colors that dropped. It's the Rio Teal, and here's the Ghost Green. Now tell me in the comments, man, which one of these is your favorite, man? Which one you prefer? Me, I'm leaning towards this one, the Rio Teal. You know what I mean? Now this Ghost Green, this is way too loud for me. You know, that's not my stilo. And the Flash Crimson looks a little pinkish to me, man. You know, it's not a bad colorway. You know, it's just not the color that I thought it was. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 11 Low IE, the Flash Crimson colorway. As you can see, this is all the colors that came in the highlighter pack. I think it's pretty dope. It's okay. You know, so let me know what y'all think about it, man. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Share this video, man. I'ma holla back.